There's more than one way to solve a problem, and more than one way to set the price of a product. Hi, I'm your digital friend Nora from Norce, and today we'll go through all the functionality Norce Commerce has to set the price of a product. A product can often have many types of prices, and each price can originate from one of several sources. The prices we talk about can be recommended price, standard price, catalog price, campaign price, and many more, but the most important tend to be the actual sale price. The sale price can come straight from the ERP, be calculated based on purchase cost, or be based on your standard prices. Another way to set prices is, of course, to look at what your competitors do and set prices in relation to how they act. Before we dive in, we probably need to talk a bit about suppliers. For each product, Norce Commerce can hold both on-hand values as well as purchase cost from one or more suppliers if they are available from the ERP or through an integration. Norce Commerce constantly calculates the best supplier based on purchase cost as well as stock levels and can calculate sale prices based on the best suppliers. Norce Commerce supports many methods to calculate the price of a product. Let's have a look. Fixed price allows pricing to be set to a fixed value. This price method is commonly used for primary price lists or when the ERP controls pricing. Cost plus calculates price based on the cost price with an assigned uplift percentage. Margin works the same way as cost plus, but here a margin percentage is assigned instead. Recommended price. The recommended price is used as the base on the calculation of the sell price. Standard price. The standard price inherited from the parent price list is used as the base for calculating the sell price. Competitive pricing. Base your prices on your competitors. So now when we know how prices can be created, let's have a look how it's actually done. One way to do it is by going product by product, which can be quite tedious but might be necessary if you have very specific requirements or a small catalog. A more efficient way to do it is by using price lists where each price list can have its own set price method. Let's have a look how we can create a campaign for Black Week. Initially, we decide whether this will be an independent price list or linked to an existing one. In this campaign, I'm reducing prices compared to our standard list, thus establishing it as a parent. Next step is to set the assortment that should be part of the campaign. This can be done using a combination of categories, manufacturers, and flags. In this case, I'm adding all products that are flagged as Black Week. Last step is to calculate the actual prices. Since we base the campaign on our regular prices, I'll set a reduction of 20% as a default rule. However, for a certain set of products, I want to deviate from the default and therefore create a more granular rule for a subset of our products, where I reduce the prices by 50% for all products in a certain category. Once you're done, click Save, and Norce will from now on keep the campaign up to date. So if your original prices are changed or if you add more products, Norce Commerce will reflect that. Dealing with pricing strategies and adjustments is inherently a continuous, never-ending task that requires constant attention and effort. However, Norce Commerce presents a streamlined solution that significantly simplifies this process. By leveraging Norce Commerce, you are able to allocate more of your valuable time to other critical assignments and projects. Want to know how our competitive pricing works or have questions about anything else? Please take a look at our documentation. Thanks for watching and see you soon.